Garmin Cirqa Smartband Review, Best Slim Fitness Tracker for Everyday Health Monitoring. If you want health and fitness tracking without a screen, notifications, or constant distractions, the Garmin Cirqa is one of the most interesting new options in 2026. But is this slim, screenless band actually worth its $199.99 price? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Cirqa is designed to track your health in the background, while you check the results later in Garmin Connect. It has no display, but there is a physical button for starting and stopping workouts, and Garmin says it can automatically detect a variety of activities. For everyday health tracking, Cirqa monitors things like heart rate, stress, pulse ox, sleep, HRV, body battery, and training readiness. It also supports more than 80 activities through the device or Garmin Connect. One of its biggest advantages is comfort and simplicity. The fabric band is designed for all-day and overnight wear, and the tracker weighs about 21 grams. It also has a 5 ATM water rating, and Garmin rates the battery for up to 10 days. Another major benefit is that there's no mandatory subscription for the core tracking features. That makes Cirqa different from subscription-focused competitors such as Whoop. But there are compromises. There's no screen, so you can't check your stats or workout information directly on your wrist. There's also no built-in GPS, meaning outdoor location tracking relies on a connected phone. And while the Cirqa provides detailed data, it doesn't offer everything you would get from a full Garmin sports watch. Recent independent testing found generally strong heart rate and sleep tracking, although accuracy can vary depending on the activity. The Garmin Connect app is also packed with information, but new users may find it more complicated than simpler fitness tracking apps. So, who should buy it? Cirqa makes the most sense if you want a discrete tracker, already use Garmin products, or simply want detailed health and training information without wearing a smartwatch. If you need a screen, built-in GPS, or advanced sports features, a Garmin watch is likely the better choice. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you choose a screenless fitness tracker.